cord. I got a bird in my house. I'm sorry, little one. I know, you're trying to get out. I know. I don't know how to get you out. Oh, come here. That's not the way out. Come on, this way. Oh, they don't come like that. Come here, birdie. No. Come. Oh, man. I know, but I don't know how you got in here. Come on. This way. Go. Fuck. I'm going to open my door and get another one in here. Come here, little birdie. Come on. Oh, damn it. There. No, stay locked, damn it. Stay like that. Okay. A broom. Come on, little birdie, this way. No, go that way. Don't bite me or whatever. Come on. No, go that way. Go that way. No, go that way. Go, you're gonna hurt yourself. Go. No, go that way. Go out that way. No, fly, little guy. Fly. Go. Go. Come in. Oh, there you go. Oh, no, no. Okay, we'll close this one. Oh, fuck. Okay, get out of there now. Damn it. Come on. I opened up the door for you. No, come on. Come on, little birdie. Do they bite? You gonna bite me? Come on. Come on, climb on my hand. Come on, it's okay. Good boy, girl, whatever you are. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. No, oh, damn it. Come on. Do I just grab him? I don't want to hurt him. Oh, come here. It's okay. Oh, no. That way. Go. Oh, thank God. Oh. Okay. Oh. Fuck. Okay. He's gone.